Hello YouTubers, this is my lovely wife. She's going to see this camper for the first time.
Boy, am I excited.
I think she's going to be just as happy a camper as the camper is. And we saw that in the previous video.
Yeah, honey, it's a camper.
Isn't it pretty?
No, it is not. Ah.
We already got a housewarming gift.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, cigarette lighter coffee warmer.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. What's this?
Open it up, check it out. Storage.
Oh,
That's where the batteries are going to have to go.
nice. Get the touchscreen everywhere. What's this?
That's more storage. That's for the spare tire, but that's going to be something else.
Where's the hook? Oh,
That's to hold the spare tire. The spare tire's inside.
Well, it has no toilet, you told me.
There's no toilet, no.
And,
What do you think, babe?
It sucks. How do you do
Climb
that?
up there. Oh, you want me to move this for you?
I don't think you can.
I sure can. If I pull it straight out, I can. What? Isn't it pretty?
No, it's horrible.
See, it has a stove right there to your left with an oven above it.
And what's this?
That's the bathroom. That's the shower and where the toilet should be.
Oh my gosh. It's scary. There's cherry cordials. Nummy.
Oh, there's another housewarming gift.
Oh, there's some really old cans that exploded in here.
Is there? I didn't look in
I'm
there.
not cleaning this thing.
Well, it's all going to be ripped out of here pretty soon.
Oh, creepy, scary.
This is going to probably look like a flatbed with some wood on it.
Marriages performed by the captain of this vessel are good for the duration of the voyage only. Yeah.
There's a nail in this side over here. You got to push it closed a little bit, I think. Now lift the nail up. You getting it? Can maybe not push up so hard? I don't know.
It's okay.
It doesn't matter. It's just a fridge. Look, you got your plastic bags. I know you miss having so many plastic bags.
Yeah, you throw mine away. I hate that.
Yeah. So what are you thinking?
It's horrible.
You got to pull that up. Pushing it down just makes it harder to get out.
Oh. And Matt has.
Really, folks, she's a lot more mechanical than this.
You had to pull the nail all the way out.
Yes.
There's ice trays.
Yes, there is. 2 of them, so you can have 8 ice cubes.
It's actually not a bad size fridge.
I think it's pretty good. I think it's going to do us well. I think I can make it work. It looked like there's some lines unhooked on the other side, which might be why it doesn't work.
There's a picture.
There's a picture. Yay! The Wild Wild West. Because you know it's a dog-eat-dog world.
Dog eat dog.
Uh,
Picture will go right here for now.
until it all gets ripped out.
There knows what's going to happen to it. What's this switch for?
Oh. Wonder what it's for. It ran, whatever it was.
Hydro flame.
Oh, maybe for something in there?
There's a mirror in here and a
Aw. That's where you get to keep all your clothes. You gonna check out the toilet? No. You don't need a toilet. There's a hole in the floor. You could use that.
I'm gonna use you.
We'll just make sure we're driving when you do.
You're disgusting.
Ooh, what's in there?
Yeah, insect repellent.
Oh, that's probably a good idea in here. Especially since yellow jackets have already.
This isn't flour.
Oh, good.
Oh, here's a hide key.
Is there a key in it?
It's rusty.
So did you find a key?
It doesn't feel like it.
Come on out, lovely wife.
Okay.
Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump! Okay, now let's check out the driver's area. Go sit behind the wheel.
Oh.
I'll explain this stuff to you later. Go sit in the driver's seat.
Oh. I'm gonna try this in here.
You get in through here? You can't really get in through here. The engine's in the way.
Cobwebs all over the other side.
Yeah, darn cobs.
No, I'm going there. The cobs will
I'll go to the other side. It'll be okay.
Cobs will get me.
It'll be okay.
Cobs will get me.
You know you want to drive this. Look at the shift lever.
It's got
Look
a
at this.
bird head.
It is a nice little bird head. It looks like a turkey.
It does look like a turkey. That's the only part of it that looks like a turkey, though. Oh, that's funny. There's like little things all the way around.
Yeah, little thingies.
Curtain holes.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Especially when we go boondocking. It's not going to be horrible.
I don't want to get into it.
It'll be alright. You'll be alright. Climb in there. It's almost new in there.
It's almost new here.
It could be worse.
Could be better.
Climb in, babe. It even has a CB. The turn signals work. Well, the key has to be on. The horn's funny.
That's not a horn. That's a.
All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye.